Hello everyone, happy new year. I am back. I know it has been a hot minute, but thank you for bearing with me. I have been super sick the first few weeks of the year, so I was not able to film. I actually had absolutely no voice, and I'm sure you can tell in my voice right now that I'm not 100% better, but I am 100% better than what I was. I hope all of you had an amazing New Year's. I cannot believe that it's 2018. So much happened in 2017, but we are leaving 2017 in the past and we are looking forward to this year, and I'm so excited to bring you guys really great content this year. I've got some great collabs in store. I've got some great ideas for videos in store, so stay tuned because some great things are going to be happening right here on my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Please make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. What better way to start off the year than to try out some new products? And of course, I wanted to try them out with you guys. So that is what I'm here to do today. I'm going to show you exactly how I used them, how they worked for my hair, and what my first impression thoughts are of these products. So if you want to see some new curly hair products in action, then definitely keep watching. Quickly, I'm going to tell you about the products that I am testing out in today's video. If you follow me on Snapchat, then you probably would have seen me snap about these, and if you don't follow me on Snapchat, why not? Go ahead and follow me on my other social media sites. I'll have them listed. These are the products by Love Beauty and Planet. It's actually a product line that I had never heard of. Everything is made from recycled products. So these bottles are completely made of 100% recycled products, and I just think that that is so cool. They're really about helping the environment and helping to reduce waste, and I really appreciate that. They sent me their shampoo and conditioner. They also sent me their body wash, which I haven't tried yet. This is their Smooth and Serene line. It is argan oil and lavender, and let me tell you, these products have such a good scent to it. It kind of reminds me of like a spa type of scent. You definitely smell the lavender in it. This line is specifically for frizzy hair, which hello, you know, natural curly hair. I can use all the frizz control that I can get. So let me read a little bit on the bottle about this shampoo. It is
organic coconut oil, natural argan oil, ethically sourced lavender, safe for colored hair. It's vegan, it's plant-based cleanser, not tested on animals, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, and no guilt.
The only drawback of this shampoo is that it does contain sulfate. I know. For curly girls, that's like, oh, we don't want to hear that word. If you use products that contain silicone or anything like that that aren't Curly Girl method approved, they can leave buildup on your hair. So it's really good to use a sulfate-based shampoo to really cleanse all of that buildup out of your hair. For that purpose, I would say that this product is a good one to use every once in a while. I don't typically use sulfates, but every once in a while when I feel like I've got extra buildup, I will use a sulfate-based shampoo to really cleanse my hair. The conditioner,
organic coconut oil, natural argan oil, ethically sourced lavender, safe for color treated hair, vegan, plant-based, fast rinse, not tested on animals, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt.
So the next product that I tried was the Minoi Coconut Oil Hair Mask. This is their Nourishing Deep Conditioner. This is what it looks like. What I did with this was used it as a deep treatment. I put it on after I cleanse and condition my hair, and then I put on my thermal heat cap and kept that on for about 30 minutes while I did my makeup, and then rinsed it out. To style with today, I decided to go in with the Dippity Doo Girls with Curls. This is their Curl Jelly. This is not brand new to me, but I've had it for quite a while, and I think I've only used it one other time, and I could not remember what I thought about it because it's just been a long time since I used it. I've seen so many curly girls rave about this product, so I was like, let me break this thing back open and try it out again and see exactly what I think about it and give you my honest review and thoughts of it. That is the product lineup for today. We're just gonna jump right into the video where I show you exactly how I used these products. If you want any information on any of these, of course, I will list them in the description box below. Let's get on with the video. So to start off, I'm just going to saturate my hair with water, and then I'm going to go in with the shampoo. As you can see, it's kind of a medium texture, like it's not too thin, it's not too thick. I just added this in and just started to scrub, and as you can see, it definitely suds up, it lathers up quite a bit, and I went in with my shampoo scrub brush, which I love. I got mine from Amazon. Then I just rinsed that out, and it definitely left my hair feeling nice and clean. And then going in with the conditioner, which was way thicker than what I was expecting, but definitely a thick formula, and of course I use a boatload of it. And then I just added that to my hair, and it definitely gave really great slip to the hair. I was able to detangle my hair super easy. I didn't have any issues. I'm actually using a wet comb, which is the comb version of the wet brush, in the shower, and it just helps to detangle my hair really easily while I have all of that slip on my hair. Then I just rinsed that out, and as you can see, it was completely tangle free, which I love. Then going in with the Minoi coconut oil hair mask. This stuff was so thick. Oh my god, I used way too much. I could have probably gotten 3 treatments out of this one packet, but you know, lesson learned. I added that to my hair, and I made sure that everything was detangled, and then I wrapped it up and put a clip on it. And then when I jumped out the shower, I heated up my thermal heat cap for about 30 seconds, popped that on, and left this on for a total of 30 minutes. I went ahead and added my makeup while I let my deep treatment set in. Then I'm just going to go in with the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla leave-in conditioner. That's nothing new for me. I just wanted to make sure to have a leave-in conditioner before I styled my hair. Then, of course, going in with the Dippity Doo Girls with Curls Jelly. I love that this stuff is pink. That just made me really happy. And I added this to my hair the same way that I typically do. I raked it in and then kind of smoothed it over and scrunched. And I cannot go without scrunching with my t-shirt towel. I'll have this towel listed in the down bar. So many of you have picked it up and are absolutely loving it. This towel really helps to encourage the curl, and it soaks up any excess product and leaves just enough on your hair that your hair needs to be styled with. It's magic. It's magic. So here is the final result, and I love it. I absolutely love the way my hair turned out. I feel like it's so soft and bouncy. I got really great definition, which I was really surprised. I was kind of scared that this was gonna be too thick for my hair, but it worked great. It did leave a cast on my hair, which of course, after I finished drying it, I just really scrunched out that cast, and I was left with super soft, defined curls, you guys. Like, I am so happy with the results. What do you guys think? Do you feel like these products did really good on my hair? Quick recap, I love the shampoo. It has a really light scent. It lathers up really well. It does have sulfate in it. Just be aware that it is not a sulfate-free shampoo. The conditioner gave really great slip to the hair. I was able to detangle my hair so easily. I think these two worked great together. The Minoi coconut oil was so super moisturizing and hydrating to the hair. My hair wasn't left feeling dry or anything like that. So this worked really great, and I'm impressed. This today was the star of the show for me. I really loved this. It is so affordable. I paid about $5 for this product, and that, you guys, is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really want to start incorporating some new curly girl products into my routine. Please let me know your suggestions in the comments below, and yeah, I love you guys so much, and it's so good to be back, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.